Let's make a mess over here. In the workshop, at home, and in the office, use Mova, haha. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's unbox this Mova Smart Vacuum Cleaner. Let's see what's in the box. I'm already at the age where these things excite me. Better this way. Here it is, the Mova all-in-one, everything in one, cordless floor washer, meaning it's wireless. It works on all floor types without scratching, cleaning, and leaving them looking great. Tiles, hard floors, soft floors, wood. In short, it's for all types of floors. That's why it's all in one, as its name says. And we also have this little dog because it's pet friendly, so we can use it without any problem. You can rotate it 180 degrees to reach the most difficult and hidden places in the house. It has 30 minutes of hot air to dry after smart mopping. It has dual edge cleaning to reach the hardest and deepest corners of your home, office, or wherever you use it, and smart dirt detection and structure adjustment, okay? It will intelligently detect what kind of dust, what kind of dirt there is, to clean it, vacuum it in the deepest way, and leave everything super clean. Wow, how exciting. Let's open it. Well, the instructions are the first thing we're going to find. And this solution that comes included, which of course you can buy on the official website and other retail sites, also other retailers, to clean the floors so they are perfectly clean. We have the roller, here it is. This is the spare one, because I think the vacuum already comes with one built in. We have the cleaning accessories to clean our smart vacuum. The handle that goes directly onto the vacuum, we'll put it on now. More accessories. Okay, that's it. That's what you'll find in the box when you get yours. I'll leave a link in the description where you'll find the best price. Now let's put it together and I'll explain how this all-in-one vacuum works. I'll tell you more. Look, let me explain. This smart vacuum cleans itself. That's why it comes with a base that you'll connect, and at the end I'll show you how that works. First, we're going to vacuum and finish setting up our Mova vacuum. All you have to do is finish assembling it, which is pretty simple. This part goes here. Done, it's assembled. It hardly weighs anything, especially for the power it has. And to charge it, you simply connect the base, place it, and once you finish vacuuming, cleaning the floor, mopping, remember, it's an all-in-one vacuum, you'll press the button. I'll show you later, don't worry. Let's clean, mop, and vacuum. I'll demonstrate how it works and how it cleans itself at the end. Now, it also comes with this base for the rest of the accessories, and something I love is that it's really complete. I'm going to show you what each of its accessories is for, and as one Jimmy would say, let's put it to the test. Let me show you why I love this Mova all-in-one vacuum and what it can do. But how about I go get a good cup of coffee? I love coffee. Tell me what you're drinking while you watch this video. All set. There's nothing like a good cup of coffee while recording a video. You know, let me know what you're drinking. And something about the Mova K30 Mix is that you actually have a lot of accessories. And it also comes with this multi-surface cleaner, which works to deeply clean hard surfaces like marble, ceramic, sealed floors, and much more. Let's pour in the product so you can see it. And since I have some coffee here, why not do a real-life test with coffee, which is one of the hardest things to clean? Man, let's make it as tough as possible. We have ground coffee. Let's make a mess right here. There we go. And just to make it even harder, let's spread it around. And I also had Christmas decorations on the table, so it ended up being a mess. So if you saw it dirty, that's why. All right, now it's time to show you all the main functions of the Mova K30 mix. And the next step is to fill the container with water and add the solution so it gets perfectly clean. To remove it, look, with just one hand, we're going to fill it. We pour in water and wait for it to fill up. And now I'm going to add a capful of Mova solution. It's super important to only use this one. If you run out, you can get it very easily. I'll also leave you a link in the description, and we're going to put the container back. Now it's ready to use. Now comes the moment I'm most excited about because we have to clean up this mess. It's super easy to use to start vacuuming. I just put it in position and press the power button. Now it has an automatic mode. We also have maximum power. I like to use it in automatic. And we have this display. You're going to clean with a power of up to 18,000 pascals. To give you an idea, that's the power of an industrial vacuum cleaner, almost the same. It will also spin at 500 revolutions per second. Well, I guess you want to see the same thing I do. Let's use it in automatic mode. Wow, I even got distracted. Look how good it turned out. Let's keep going. Above all, because you can do it manually. If you vacuum first and then mop, you'll get very similar results. But here, look how easy I'm doing it. Look how easily I can move. I'm leaving it practically clean. It looks pretty good. And look how that roller spins at these 500 revolutions per minute. Plus, it's cool how it pulls you, making things easier. Look, I just leave my hand and it practically pulls me along. It has rubber on the edges, so nothing happens if you bump into any furniture that might be delicate. And with the power button, you'll be able to choose between the different modes. That's the ultra mode, we have the max mode, the suction mode, and the automatic mode, which I have to say is my favorite. Check out how we're doing. Here everything gets stored. It has some pretty powerful filters, and there's all the coffee it cleaned up from the floor. It did a really good job. Now I'll show you this function to use it as a portable device. For this, I'm just going to press this button and take out the motor, and now I'm ready to use it as a portable accessory. Since I left a bit of a mess here, let's use the portable mode of the Mova. I'm really liking it so far. For this, we're going to grab this accessory here. Let's finish removing the plastic. Done. Now let's grab this base here to put the motor on. Everything is pretty intuitive. Now we're going to put this accessory on this part here, and now I just have to choose which accessory I'm going to use it with. To turn it on, we press this button and that's it. Look. Now you see it, now you don't. This one is a dry vacuum, but it's enough for the couches in your house. For example, this surface I have here, I should just stay here vacuuming for the whole video. That's not the idea. Let's keep using the other accessories. We have this one, which is the crevice tool, and it also has this other one here that I can use on the computer. And it won't scratch it, it won't damage it, and I'll get rid of all that grime, all that dust it might have. I can use it in hard to reach places, like the edges of couches, corners, or in the car. This one is really going to help you out. Look at all the dust. As I mentioned, it has Environmental Protection Agency filters, so you can trust the air is really clean. Is it dirtier than you expected? See, I told you. So, what do you think? And like I said, it rotates 180 degrees. Therefore, you can reach the hardest places and get a deep vacuum. And leave the house, the office, the workshop, the house, and the office. Use Mova, ha ha ha. I really like this feeling, like it pulls you because it makes it easy. And you can vacuum for up to 50 minutes and mop for up to 30 minutes. All right, I finished vacuuming. I left the house clean. I left the house spotless. What's next? What's next to do with a vacuum cleaner? It's going to clean itself. The ideal thing is to put it on its base. You just have to press this button and that's it. It's going to clean itself. It's going to do all the work. Also, it's going to do it with heat to kill all the viruses and all the bacteria. Remember, you're just vacuuming up dust and trash, most of which stays inside, but with this, you don't need to worry. And it's ready for the next cleaning. Isn't this Mova super cool? And well, while my Mova K30 mix finishes cleaning, there it is. It already started. My friends, thank you for making it this far. Tell me, what's your favorite feature? What did you have to drink during this video? I read your comments and replies, so do you think it's because of age? Or is it simply that I like technology, which makes me like these kinds of products? If you haven't yet, please subscribe and enable notifications. For more videos like this, tell me your favorite feature in the comments. I'm Andres Nasciuto. See you in my next video. I'm giving away an iPhone. Visit my channel to learn how to win. See you in my next video. Goodbye.